Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, 6th of November 2018. So, pound yesterday, very, very quiet in the main session. And the first time in months we've actually seen 3 consecutive losers. In fact, we haven't seen losers for some time in the pound. But yesterday, very, very quiet. And I would imagine that the midterm elections this week in the US have got something to do with this. Obviously, the dollar waiting to see what's going on. But that said, overnight the market moving higher. You can see there retracing and then into a bit of a sideways move there at the moment. But yeah, a very strange day yesterday for the pound. They come along once in a while, and hopefully we'll see things moving a bit more today. This is looking very similar to the Dow chart, which you'll see in just a moment. Here you'll see that the market's heading towards the 131, as I've said before. Just going back to the 15-minute there, the 130 level, you can see there where you've got the shorts. Probably a riskier area at 130 to go short, which is the red line there. But that said, you can see how the market also came back here. You've got a double bottom more or less there. Look at the volume at this level, and then it sent the market to the upside there. So you'll always find the detail of what's going on. Also, the 200 bar moving average only broke it once. Soon as it did, hit the close, and at the 129.69 level, massive volume, and then we reverse. But coming back to this, now we've held at the 130, we've got 131.12 at the 76% retracement from this high down to this low. So keep an eye on that as well. It's the elections, actually, of course they are today, aren't they? It's the 6th of November for the midterm elections, so that's what's going to be dominating the markets today. Now, speaking of looking similar, let me just go to the daily chart of the Dow. Again, you can see how this is also moving higher. If Trump retains the House, I think they retain the House, or if I think the Democrats might have it at the moment. I can't remember. It's completely different to the UK. Anyway, if Trump has another sweep across the board, then we're going back to the all-time highs, albeit briefly. And if the Dems get it, then we might see something a bit different in the Dow. So it's all down to what happens over the next 24, 48 hours with regards to the midterm elections. I mean, Trump remains there, but it's who has control of Congress, of course. So yesterday, we've got the market moving high. You see the selling coming in here with the red bars, and then the market retraces. We get 76% retracement there. This is plain to see from this low to this high, bang on it, and then the market moves higher once more, and you get small retracements again from this low to this high, 76%, and then we get a double bottom here at the DP, the 50 bar moving average. See the buying coming in here as prices move away and head north there. So the Dow, yeah, everything waiting really for those midterm results. They wouldn't normally be an issue because when it's been Clinton, Bush, or whatever, Obama, it's no real interest. But because of the hate for Trump by the mainstream media and the world in general, it's going to be interesting to see whether he still has that same affection with the grassroots support in the Midwest and whatever. Right, Bitcoin, desperately quiet yesterday. It was quiet in the Sunday. You can see they're really quiet, but still fairly bullish. Got to go above the 76% in order to move higher. And that is a roundup of today's events. Keep an eye on those US midterm elections. That's going to affect the markets. Okay, that's it. Anything to report, we'll let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.